Hello friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wonders. In the previous video, we learned about arithmetic operators, right? And now it's time to learn assignment operators. What are these assignment operators? It's so simple, guys. Let's say we have a variable any value and our any value has got a value, that is 10. But what is actually happening here? I just gave this value 10 or assigned this value 10 to our variable any value using this equal to operator or equal to sign, right? So here this equal to sign is an assignment operator. Just simple as that. And in memory, our any value has got this value 10. Now, if I want to increase this 10 to 12 using my arithmetic operator, addition operator, how will I do that? I will just write this over here and then 10 plus 2, right? This is so simple. And if I just print this, print any value, run this again, I'll get it as 12, right? This is what you expected. But we can do another thing here. That is, if I just write any value plus 2 and run this again, did you see that? You got the same result. Why? Because we have assigned 10 to any value and now any value's value is 10. So, we can reassign with any value plus 2, which will definitely be 12, right? That's true. But then there is another neat way of doing this, and that is add the sign plus or equal to. This is same as saying any value equal any value plus 2. If I run this again, did you see that? We got the same result. So this is known as, or this way of assigning a variable a value is known as augmented assigning. And this is known as augmented assignment operators. We can work with all the other arithmetic operators in the same way. Let's say I want to subtract this. If I run this, 8. This is what you expected? Of course, this is what we expected, right? Because 10 minus 2 is 8. And if I want to divide this, we got it as 5. If I just multiply this, run this again, yes, 10 star 2 is 20. So this way of writing or assigning values to variable is known as augmented assigning, and we can work with all the arithmetic operators. And this is all about assignment operators. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.